Welcome to my garage. So you'll be able to see the car is back home. Not finished yet by any means, but we've sort of made sort of slow but steady progress this week. At the moment, I've got the front suspension all taken apart. The cross member's off at the moment. I've got Steve Denton's second-hand cross member I've painted up for now, that I'm going to fit and put all this suspension back on. We've got both the front wings back on. That took sort of far longer than I was hoping. It was the best part of a weekend to get both of those fitted. I've been around the engine bay. I'm just giving all that a nice polish up before we start fitting engine and gearbox. Hopefully that'll be going back in this weekend. We've got the grille, replacement grille. This is just a reproduction one. That's loosely in place, not fitted fully. And then we've got the valance to go back on underneath there. Down the side here, you'll see the suspension again is off, so that's all to go back on. Hopefully before the weekend. Interior, I've just given that a clean up for now. Not all that much to see, not much has changed in there really. And then round to the side here, this is all fixed as before, and waiting for a final polish. Hopefully we'll have Steers detailing over on Friday to go through that with me. Hopefully you'll join me again in a few days time, or possibly a little bit longer, depending how I get on with the build. We're on track, I think, for Silverstone on the 11th of June. I think it's the 24th of May today. So we've still got a bit of work to do. I'm fairly hopeful we'll be there. So hopefully you'll join me again soon. Many thanks. Bye.